How are you doing? My name is Dennis, your creole teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can conjugate the verb to take in 3 tenses. Just watch this video at the end. So, dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, nous allons montrer qui gens ou capable conjuguer verbe prend dans 3 temps en anglais. Nous connaissons verbe prend en anglais, il veut dire to take. Mais il y a une autre façon ou capable dire I, ou capable dire tout, ou capable dire to catch. To catch veut dire capter tout. Okay? Ça va dépendre de phrase ou quoi parler. There's another way that guy you can say to take, you can say to catch. Depends on the sentence you are talking with. Okay? So in Spanish, the verb to take means tomar. Okay? Primera vez you could say tomo, yo tomo, tú tomas. Okay? Let's go, guys. The present simple. We have I take, you take, he takes, she takes, it takes, we take, you take, they take. I take veut dire moi prend, you take ou prend, he takes ou prend. Don't forget, guys, after the third person singular, you must put a S. Après troisième personne, trois personnes ça yo, au présent, ou de mettre S. You can say he takes. You couldn't say he take. Okay, guys? If you talk about the present simple. Future. I will take, moi pral prend. You will take, ou pral prend. He will take, she will take, it will take, we will take, you will take, they will take. Okay? Simple past. The simple past, guys. Let's say I took for the first persons. You took, he took, she took, it took, we took, you took, they took. In Creole means moi te prend, ou te prend, li te prend. Okay, guys? In Spanish, the verb to take translated by tomar. Okay? Yo tomo, tú tomas, er toma, ella toma, ere toma. Okay? Guys, I think you understand. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe with my English channel and also to like all of my videos. Thank guys for being watching my videos.